I haven't seen a project like this before.
I actually, when we were finishing casting, it didn't feel like. Once the poster came out,
See,
then even to me, it looked like. So in the room, I had these 9 or 10 fantastic actors, and I had to. So you're dealing with targets. You have to finish X number of scenes every day,
बिल्कुल.
and then you have to, and they're all different kinds of. इनकी preparations अलग है. So all that energy, and it was something very organic that was going on, and I just was a fly on the wall, and I was just watching them, and बीच में वो fly उड़ के जाती थी, कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी, फिर दूसरा कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी, and it was like I was telling somebody the other day, I was this child in the room who was catching butterflies, and they were flying all around me. It's probably the most memorable experience of 31 years of directing. Those 6 days, it was outstanding.
That's a statement. Out of such a long career that you have had, Babai, to be actually saying that, it's remarkable. And of course, why not? You've got such amazing stall. पड़ गया था pressure.
नहीं, प्रेशर तो बढ़ ही जाता है, क्योंकि जब ऐसे एक्टर्स साथ में हो तो डांट खाने का खतरा हमेशा बना रहता है.
पढ़ी क्या सीरीज के?
पढ़ गया, पढ़ी नहीं, वो उसको संभाल के, लेकिन पढ़ सकती है, ये आपको हमेशा एहसास रहता है, तो एक नर्वसनेस तो बनी हुई थी.
अरे और कुमुद सर, आप और बाकी सेट पर अगर हो तो क्या क्या मस्करियां हुई, मस्करियां चलती रही, या बड़ा संजीदा काम हुआ है?
संजीदा तो नहीं हो सकता है. मनोज भाई साथ में तो दो अलग कहानियां चल रही होती हैं. एक कहानी जो हम लोगों की आपस में चल रही होती है, दूसरी जहाँ कैमरा होता है. तो हाँ,
उसके बारे में चर्चा यहाँ नहीं करेंगे हम.
कई बार ऐसा होता था कि I'm talking to नसीर भाई and पंकज भाई, explaining the scene to them, और पंकज भाई सवाल पूछते हैं और नसीर भाई सुनते रहते हैं, उनकी आंखें ऐसे बार-बार जा रही होती हैं. पीछे में ये 2 कैरेक्टर खड़े होते थे, ये और
इसीलिए पूछा था.
और ये मुझे देख के ना ऐसे मुस्कुराते रहते थे. मजा आ रहा है तुमको?
और बनाओ. The responsibility that media has to report the truth, not to spread rumors, not to let rumors spread. It is a responsibility. Pun intended. Tell me something, ma'am. Back in '99, that character, what it went through, and the way you have portrayed that character, it is something that a lot of our friends would like to take a leaf out of.
I think what mattered the most to me was Shalini's integrity.
True, ma'am.
And that's evident in the way she responds to the situation, the way it unfolds. And I think it's a dilemma that many of my friends, journalist friends, are dealing with till this day. Many of them who were a part of broadcast channels and newspapers today run their own independent YouTube channels. And I was very intrigued about what that time must have been like for a woman in press and for a woman in power in press. And what was also exciting was the relationship, the Jugalbandi between Nandini and Shalini. Their rapport, their exchanges, and the very gentle but important insights that their exchanges bring to the story as it unfolds. And I had a great time. And I think as an artist, it's wonderful to play empowered women, intelligent thinking, empowered women. And I respect Anubhav Sinha for this very fact, because he's always gotten me to play such women. And it's such a privilege, and I'm so grateful to him and the way that they write women parts.
True that, sir. Thank you for doing that. देखा है कभी थिएटर के बाहर बातचीत करते हुए. आपको मैं जानता हूँ, मैं आपको देख के पहचान सकता हूँ कि this is Vijay. But the first time the trailer dropped, I swear, bro, initially it just didn't land to me that it was you, because I know that it is not a completely different look or something, but something that you did, and it was a completely different person. And on top of that, the character that you played, the captain of that ship, it's based on what he experienced on that particular time. So many projects have you been a part of, but with this particular series, have you cracked something? There's something that you found.
First of all, thank you, Mantra, for such warm, lovely words. I think I did. Now that I watched it, I am able to feel like कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ था जो शायद मेरे कंट्रोल के बाहर था या मेरे काबू के बाहर था, जो कि हो गया. I think sometimes just there was no real effort to make him sound or look like the real life captain. That wasn't never the intention. He never showed me a picture of young Captain Devi Sharan saying कि हमको ये achieve करना है. In fact, for the entire series, the intention was very clear. We're not recreating any of these. We're not imitating any of these characters. So that brief was also there for Captain. But when I met him and I spoke to him, I understood the nature of him and how soft-spoken and how sincere and dedicated and how much integrity he has. I try to kind of keep that energy with me, and I try to get the spirit of the person that I met, and somehow maybe in the portrayal it was there and it connected. So I'm just thankful that this happened, and he was capturing it through the lenses that probably worked, because the camera was always right next to my face, on three sides, all the time, and this green screen in front of me. So
You spent so much.
when you have three cameras, then all your effort is sometimes just to make sure that you never land up your eye in the lens, and you're in the middle of crisis. Lahore khul gaya, and then I'm like, either camera shit. So I can't. Sorry for the French. But yeah, I had to. Yeah, but as Naseer Sab always tells me कि imagination का इस्तेमाल करो. So that came in handy.
True that, and I'm sure there's so much you must have learned being on set with everyone over there. Although भी जानते हैं कि आप कितनी fun loving है और कट बोलने के बाद क्या हुआ होगा. But being in that congested space, I heard that by the end of the series that almost जो सांस नहीं आती है, कुछ ऐसी situation बन गई थी आपके साथ. How was that experience of just being locked in there?
कट बोलने के बाद तो हम यहाँ पे I couldn't have fun because it is not that kind
Yeah,
of
true
show.
that.
It is intense and the environment is such that sometimes you don't go through such emotions on a daily basis. Sometimes as an actor it's nice to be in that space. I somehow enjoyed being in that space. I knew it that it's not a great space to be in, but maza aa raha tha, you know. But coming back to the claustrophobia inside the flight, because there were like some 100 odd junior artists, there were crew people, it was the cabin crew people, plus the camera, plus the EDs. It was hard, but also I felt that the space really helped me. It did something to me, and I think I was there because of the space.
That makes a lot of